Hello guys, SecAyo Airdrop official launch date has been announced, and you see most people are not even aware that the official launch date has been announced. Well, that's why I'm here to let you guys know that the launch date for SecAyo Power Tap Airdrop has been announced. Well, if you are not yet mining SecAyo, do not panic. I still have some offer for you and little explanations to do. Well, to those who have been following this update ever since when I've been posting it, congratulations to you, and I will employ you to keep on mining and take this mining serious and follow every instruction I've been giving you guys on how to mine this SecAyo airdrop. Now, for the sake of those who are just seeing this channel for the very first time, because I know there are still a lot of people who are yet to participate in SecAyo airdrop. Well, it's not too late, and at the same time it's almost late, but you can still, if you are serious enough, you'll be able to get some good USDT if you partake quickly. Now, for those who are already participating, just give me a few minutes. Let me just do some little explanation for those people who are just seeing this video for the very first time and want to partake. Now, if you are seeing my channel for the very first time, do ensure you just go to my channel. You will see my playlist. If you go to my channel, you just go to the playlist option. I made a playlist guide on how to mine SecAyo Power Tap Airdrop successfully, carefully. I made a detailed breakdown on how you can mine this. Everything here I explain it. The crypto balance, the power, the mining hour, the boost, the tax, the squad, the conversion. I made a detailed guide and I explain everything there, so you know which one to focus on. And just a bonus for this video, if you don't know what to focus on, well, this is what to focus on. Look above my screen where you see crypto balance and you see power beneath, and you see SEP with a hammer, right? That's where you have to focus on. You have to focus on your power. Now, first of all, how do you generate power? You generate power by this is it. If you want to have more power, SEP, which is what our location is going to be on, you get more power by doing upgrading cards. As you upgrade cards, you get more power. So let me just upgrade any random card here, so you can see that I'm actually saying the truth. Now, if you look here, you see I have just 2.2 million, right? 09. So look at the figure carefully. Let me just tap on any random card now and upgrade it. I also made a video on how to on the exact cards to buy. But if you have enough coins, you should be upgrading many cards as much as possible to increase your SEP power, because that's where our location is going to be on. So you guys can see I just upgraded this card twice and see what we have here now. You see it, guys? So you see, you add more SEP token by doing upgrading cards. Now, just a little bonus. Now you add more mining power at the same time too by upgrading cards. So as you upgrade cards, your mining power will increase. Now this is it. If you just go to this leaderboard, you can see currently I'm in level 7, but my goal is to reach level 10. Now this is it. We have I still have just about how many levels left? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 levels left. I'm currently in level 7, and I just need about 10 more million coins and I'm in level 8. Let me know which level you are in SecAyo Power Tap. I know there are different OGs that are watching this video, so let me know. Let's the pressure continue. Let me know which level you are in SecAyo Power Tap. Indicate in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching from. Kindly make sure to give this video a thumbs up so more people can see this video and learn and take this actively serious. Currently, SecAyo are not asking us for any form of turn transaction or whatsoever. Now there is a new gaming option that is available on SecAyo, which is the spin option. If you tap on, I was too fast, let me just go back a little. If you look on my screen below this boost, you see by the left hand side there is this spinning wheel. So if you tap on the spinning wheel, I already made a video ready on how to earn more spin. Now on this spin, you can earn free USDT, which you can withdraw to your account. So if you want to know how to spin and how to earn more spin, please ensure you watch this video to the end. The full playlist guide on SecAyo airdrop will drop at the end screen, so you tap on it, watch everything and start to spin and do everything you need to do on the SecAyo Power Tap airdrop, and quickly, most especially, start your conversion. Most especially that Bitcoin is at a higher rate as at now. We can all see the price of Bitcoin as it's increasing. Remember, I said your crypto balance is at the same rate of Bitcoin. I made a detailed guide on each of these things. That's why I'm telling you to watch the playlist. I took out my time to explain everything one after the other. So watch the playlist for the full guide on each of the following. You understand? Because if I'm saying all these things now, I'll be in a haste and maybe you might not understand it fully. So I want you to get everything clearly and fully understood, and you start mining and get as much as you can. So quickly now, let's head to the juicy part of the day: Sek.io official launch date. To see that, what you need to do is to tap on the airdrop above my screen on the right. So once you tap on the airdrop, quickly it will bring us to this interface. Let's wait for it to load, guys. I hope you have connected your wallet, your Sek.io app to this Telegram bot. So if you don't know how to connect your wallet, please let me know in the comment section. If you want to know how to connect your wallet, just go to Apple Store or Google Play Store, download the Sek.io Power Tap app. Once you download the Power Tap app, it's very simple. Once you download it, you sign up with your name, your detail, just basically how you sign up for any app. Once you sign up, they are going to ask you in that same app, do you want to connect to their Telegram? You will say yes, and you tap on connect. Automatically it will direct them to this your Telegram account, and give it just less than a minute, it will tap connect. It's very simple. So now the next thing for us to do, I want to show you guys Sek.io official launch date. So quickly, let's go. Once you are here, just slide through to this. Now they say the Q4. I also explained Sek.io. I indulge you to watch the playlist. Yes, watch the playlist, guys, so you don't miss out. Watch the playlist. Now this is the exact launch date for Sek.io. They say the Q4 for 2024. Calculate airdrop and prepare for listing. And the Q4 of 2024, we are almost rounding up. We're in November, and the next month now, November is just few days. I'm making this video in the month of November, so the last month for this year is December, which is few days from now. Remember, Sek.io will not be struggling to list their token. So most people might be under pressure and saying, why have they not generated their token? No, they are not under any pressure. Remember, they are an exchange itself. So if they are listing, primarily they will be listing on their own exchange. So you have nothing to fear. That is why you see your Sek Power is indicated on your Sek.io airdrop. So they are not under any pressure to launch. They can launch this very moment because they have their own exchange. They are not begging any exchange to help them launch a coin. If they want to list on other exchange, it's at their own choice, because they themselves, they have visibility and they have the numbers, so they can just list and start trading. So you understand, Sek.io will be listing either the same. They say they are preparing for listing 2024. So we don't know if they are going to postpone it to 2025, maybe January, but I believe that they are going to be listing the coin officially in this month of let's say December, latest December, or let's just see how it goes. But we're expecting, according to what they say here, they say they are preparing for listing by Q4 2024. Please, guys, make sure you go watch the playlist so you have a full detailed guide on how to mine Sek.io properly, how to connect wallets, how to convert your coin, what to focus on, how to do the spin. I also made a video on how you can sell this your SEP token on the Sek.io exchange once it is listed. That playlist is a lot, guys, so make sure you watch this video. Tap the video that you see on the end screen so you watch everything. It's a lot. I took my time to make this video for you guys, because on this channel I want everybody to win. Guys, make sure you like this video so more people can see it. Give this channel a thumbs up and drop me a thank you comment in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from. Drop your country flags. Let me see a lot of different colors, country flags, where you're watching this video from in the comment section. Join my Telegram channel. The link is in my bio as well in the description box. If you are not yet mining Sek.io, make sure you check the description box, tap the link on Sek.io and start mining it after watching the playlist, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time seeing my channel, let me know in the comment section. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe.